Greetings from NeuronThemes. It's become a habit that every time we enter a website, we look for the search bar. That we've developed this habit into a custom and concepted as a must for every website, especially those multi-layered ones. We have discussed navigation menus in our previous videos and what crucial role they play in user navigation. Sit through our tutorial to see how to add the search form element with the famous drag and drop interface. Let's start the building. We want to add our search form here on the main page. As you can see, our design is minimalistic, so we will match our search form with the same design. Catch us on. First, let's drag the icon element and we will upload the search icon. Let's style it a little. Now, we want the search form to open in a lightbox once the user clicks on the icon. Let's first design the template. From the WordPress dashboard, Templates, Pop-ups. We will design it as a lightbox pop-up. We will configure the pop-up settings, the width, as well as the height. The content position will be set to middle. We want the search to appear at the top of the page. We will leave the overlay on, but we will hide the close button. Let's assign an entrance animation as well as an exit animation for a smooth effect of the search. From the Style tab, we will configure the overlay. Now, let's add a section. The columns gap will be set to no gap. From the Advanced tab, we will add some top padding for the value of 40 pixels. We do this because we want the header to be displayed when the search form lightbox is triggered. Now for our prime component. Let's drag the search form element and we will configure the style for a more minimal design. For the placeholder here, put the text inside the search bar entry, either say search or start typing. Lastly, from the Content tab, you have the button option in which you can decide between the icon and the text. Here, we are going with the icon. You will have the possibility to upload your own SVG icon or choose one from the library. Let's jump onto the Style tab and configure the design of the search form. Here, as you see it, it's divided in two sections. The input and the button, so you know exactly what you're customizing. In the input section, you have the options to change the typography, the text color, background color, border color, or add a box shadow. Determine the border size of the search bar and its border radius, as well as the input padding. Let's style the button as well. The same design capabilities are possible and applied for the button to match the rest of our design. Let's choose a border and determine its width. You can set the text color, the background color, as well as the border color, and finally configure the size of the button. Let's click on Publish and click on Save and Close. Back to the homepage design where we left on working. Click on the icon elements handle to open its options. From the link option, click on this database barrel icon. From the drop-down menu, select Pop-up. Click on the wrench icon to open the settings. From Action, choose Open Pop-up. Under Pop-up, select the template we've just designed. As per our last configuration, in order to have our header be visible when the user opens the search form lightbox, click on the Intersections handle, go to the Advanced tab, and assign a larger z-index value, which is a setting designated for ordering elements onto the page. You will have full control over the design of every component on your website with NeuronThemes. Build stunning and captivating search form to help users find the information they require faster and without a hassle. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Catch us on our previous videos to learn how to create and design search result pages with ease and flexibility.